a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me out is your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Girl, you at them people job watching my videos? Don't worry, I ain't gonna tell on you. I can't stand a snitch. So I ain't gonna tell on you. You don't tell on me either, okay? Y'all, I'm back with a wig review, okay? It is Wednesday afternoon, but I just felt like I was in a filming mood because I missed y'all. So here I am. And the wig that I'm actually bringing you is a wig that one of you guys recommended a long time ago because there was a company called Go Beauty New York. They have since gone out of business, and they were indeed the plug. Go Beauty New York had these wigs on sale for only for super cheap. So you asked me to pick one up. So sis, here I am, me and my little greasy face. But y'all remember, this makeup has been on my face since 6:30 in the morning, and it is now 7 o'clock in the afternoon. So over 12 hours. So excuse my grease. Bam. The wig that I'm bringing you today is by Red Carpet Premier. It's part of their Sparkling Girl collection, okay? I have it in the style RCP 7043 Sparkling Girl 03. So it must be a 01 and 02 too. And I have it in the color TS Opal / Ruby. That's the color you guys told me to get. Miss Sparkling Girl, how heat say fishy, y'all? It don't say, but I would say from 350 to 400 degrees. You know, Red Carpet Premier is main concept, okay? She comes in tons of colors. Look at them funky looking colors, like browns and oranges and browns and greens, or like a penny called, that's a copper, or a fuchsia color. Okay, main concept. She came with lace that I have already cut off. Now, I know y'all recommended it, and y'all might be right, but in my head, I don't think I'm gonna like this. Here go the color up close. I don't know if y'all can even see that. Yeah, okay. It's blondes with pieces of reds in it, slight blues, a few grays in it, but it's like an ash blonde gray looking wig. And I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, I'm getting shit. Look at that. That's not a good sign. And I ain't messing no lace up that bad. It's coming across as a little costumey, because it got pieces of tinsel in it. And they're literally like tinsel off the Christmas tree. Hold on, let me turn that off. Look at that, y'all. And I don't mean the good Christmas tree. Not even from Walmart. This is the tree that you got up from Fred's. Y'all, I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. And usually y'all don't steer me wrong. Yeah, this thing's shedding bad. This thing's shedding like a bad rabbit coat that you had when you were 7 years old. I don't know. I'm going to give it a chance. Sparkling Girl 03 comes with 2 combs right here in the front, a comb in the back with your adjustable straps, okay? There go that color again. I know my lighting is off, but it's because I want you to see that color. Look at them darn tinsels. Look at that. Y'all, I don't think I'm going to like this, but I'm going to do it just for y'all. And y'all know I'm going to be honest in how I review it, okay? Which one of y'all recommended this? Go in them comments right now and raise your hand, because you finna get a whooping. You finna get a whooping. Okay. Okay, maybe it ain't as bad as I thought. I'm not getting tangling. Like my finger, oh, I'm lying, okay. I'm getting a little bit of tangling, and I'm getting a lot of shedding. Okay, ain't that much lace in the world that could have done that. So I'm getting a lot of shit. And don't thumbs down my damn video. Y'all love thumbs down in the video because I bring you an honest review and then say you like my honesty. Well, stop thumbs down in my video, Sheila. Take a seat, Sheila. I done got pissed off, I think. Hold up. This is the wig up close. I ain't put no powder or nothing in that part. I'm finna get this away, so I ain't gonna put nothing in there. I know I am. Okay, y'all, this is Miss Sparkling Girl to the front. If it were in a black, I think I might like it. But right now, coming across a little, ooh, look at me. I still out of Dollar Tree-ish. Which, I mean, ain't no better than if you still out of Target. Y'all look at this shit. That's some mohair. Yeah, she's shedding bad. It's just costuming with those little tinsel bits in it. It's gonna be a no for me. I ain't even finna turn around and let y'all see all that. Don't buy it. Y'all. Another swipe of my hand through it. Y'all don't buy this. I see why it was on sale at Go Beauty for $7. Y'all, this thing's shedding bad. Like I said, like your little rabbit coat that you used to wear when you was 7. You know, for your church pictures. Y'all, look, that's some more. I ain't gonna even run my fingers through this no more because, y'all, the common denominator is this fool sheds. Shoot. I was gonna say even in a black, it might be all right. Don't get this shit. Don't get I'm sorry, Mama. I'm sorry, Mama. Don't get this in no black. Don't get this in nothing. You're gonna be a shedding mess, okay? Y'all. And look, I just keep running my fingers through it. Look at this one. You know why it's shedding? Because they put them darn tinsels in it. Let me go and get off this shit. I would do my little thing. Maybe auntie into wigs. But if you got an auntie in a wig like this, y'all need to help her. Because she done relapsed. She back on the drugs. Straight up. Okay? Your Aunt Penny back on the drugs. No. Don't do this. And we ain't finna put your uncle in it either. Okay? This is a mess. Y'all, this thing's shedding bad. Y'all. Look at this. Good God Almighty. No. We ain't even do no closure. Don't get this damn wig.